Namaskar, I am Sandeep, in charge Faculty of Hospitality and Facility Management at Bharatiya Skill Development University. Today I am excited to introduce to you our 4 years BHM Honours Degree Program, which is inspired from Swiss dual education system and built upon apprenticeship embedded degree program. It is one of a kind of a program launched in India that allows for multiple industry immersions, keeping the balance between the learnings at the universities and the exposure that the student gets in the industry. During the course of the program, student undergoes training in all the 4 major core departments of the hotel. He learns about guest arrivals, check-in, the sales, the reservation of the rooms in the front office, cleaning of the rooms, upkeep of the property, aesthetics of the area in the housekeeping department. In the F&B service department, he understands about the order taking procedures, delivery of the food to the customer, the billings, the preparation of beverages, alcoholic, non-alcoholic beverages to the consumer. And in the kitchen, he learns about the implementation of the recipes, the procedures of the stock inventory, the menu development, the recipe making, the pairing of the food. These are all the foundation skills that he is learning at the initial years, and gradually he moves into the higher area of learning. During his first internship, he undergoes training in all the 4 major departments of the hotel. Now during his second internship, he has to make a choice now as to what department or what division he is willing to choose. He can either choose a F&B division or a rooms division. During his third internship, he narrows down further now his specialization into one major area of the hotel. This gradual increase in the level of learning is a very fruitful and a rewarding journey for the candidate, making him industry ready before even he joins the industry. This is one of a kind of program that opens the doors to the endless possibilities. You can build a career in hotels, multi-speciality restaurants, the cruise liners, aviations, be it any hospitality industry. You can definitely make an impact in the industry. So, what are you waiting for? Come, let's join our hands and shape the future of hospitality together.